Hello friends, we have started MCQ series for those who are prepared for going to attend UGC NET 2021. Discussion method can be used when option A, the topic is very difficult, option B, the topic is easy, option C, the topic is difficult, option D, all the above. So the answer is the topic is difficult. Next question, the main aim of the teaching is option A, to develop only reasoning, to develop only thinking, option C, both A and B, and option D, to give information. So the answer should be both A and B. Next question, which of the following is a teaching aid? First one, working model of windmill, option B, tape recorder, option C, 16mm film projector, option D, all the above. So the answer should be all the above. Next question, the quality of teaching is reflected. Option A, by the attendance of students in the class, option B, by the pass percentage of students, option C, by the quality of questions asked by students, option D, by the duration of silence maintained in the class. So, the answer obviously by the quality of questions asked by students. So, move on to the question. A college wants to give training in the use of statistical package for social sciences to researchers. For this, college student should organize first one, conference, option A, conference, option B, seminar, option C, workshop, and option D, lecture. Yes, the answer is workshop. Then only we are getting points to do the SPSS. Next, which of the following is not the characteristics of research? Option A, research is systematic. Option B, research is not a process. Option C, research is a problem oriented. And option D, research is not a passive. Answer, research is not a process. Next question, which of the following statement is correct? Option A, that means the statement 1, discoveries are researchers. Next statement, researchers lead to discovery. Next statement, invention and research are related. And none of the above. So, the answer is researchers lead to discovery. Next question, which of the following statement is correct? Option A, in research, objectives can be worded in question form. Option B, in research, objectives can be worded in statement form. Option C, objectives are to be started in chapter 1 of the thesis. Option D, all the above. Yes, the answer is objectives are to be started in chapter of the thesis. So, which satellite channel uses the ad line, knowing is everything? Option A, BBC World, option B, Star, option C, Sony, option D, Z. Yes, the answer is BBC World. Next question, which is the first made in India kids channel of television? Option A, Cartoon Network, option B, Walt Disney, option C, United Home Entertainment's Hugma TV, option D, Nick Jr. Answer is United Home Entertainment's Hugma TV. Next question, global warming duration, winter becomes more pronounced at the option A, equator, option B, poles, option C, Tropic of Cancer, option D, Tropic of Capricorn. Yes, the answer is Tropic of Capricorn. Next question, in the study of man-environment interaction, the statement of Miss Semple that the humans are solely the product of their environment is option A, an opinion, option B, a prejudice, option C, a fact, option D, a widely accepted phenomenon. Yes, the answer is a fact. Next question, The maximum loss of forest lands in India is caused by option A, river valley projects, option B, industries, option C, means of transportation, option D, agriculture. So the answer is river valley projects. In which year the University Grants Commission, that means the UGC, was established? Option A, 1948, option B, 1944, option C, 1953, option D, 1960. Yes, the answer is 1953. Next question. The idea of democratic decentralization is in India was popularized by option A, A.D. Gaurwala Committee 1951, option B, Paul H. Appleby Committee 1953, option C, B.R. Mehta Committee 1957, option D, Ashok Mehta Committee 1978. The answer is B.R. Mehta Committee 1957. So thank you for watching. Stay with us.